How to enable or disable roaming clock on the lock screen in AOD on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on lock screen and AOD. Now from here, tap on roaming clock, tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. You can also customize the roaming clock by tapping on the left hand side panel. Here you can select a region. Now in some region there are multiple time zones, and from here you can choose a time zone. In some regions there is only one time zone, so you cannot select a different time zone. And that's it. So select a region, then select a time zone. And after that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.